Moikka! Today I feel like some color therapy is needed. And the idea that popped into my head was washi tape. It is such a lovely craft to paint and to decorate. And then it can be used to decorate our journal. So let's play with some colors. I am Mari from Taika Journals. Welcome to my channel. Let's start with the paper. I'm using a Copypaper, 160 grams, and then I will be using some washi tape. And I think I will work with the paper this way. So I will put some washes and I will be making some wider washi and some narrow washi, and I will tape the paper accordingly. Yes, but let's put the washes. Now the tapes are in their places. I think this crafting mat is very good with this washi tape making because you can see the lines. They go about straight. So very nice. And next let's start the coloring. So I will do different colored washi tapes. Here and there just putting some color. Yes, but let's start the coloring fun. This is so relaxing. I love it. Now the painting is dry, and next let's start the decorating. I will be using different kind of markers, maybe some colored pencils, I don't know yet. This is going with the flow decorating, so whatever comes to the mind, I will do that. But now let's start the decorating fun. Okay, now the washi tapes are ready, and I really enjoyed doing this. And I love the different colors in these tapes. But yes, have fun with your washi tape craftings. And if you want to decorate this specific washi tape set, this is now for sale on my Etsy shop with the decorations and without the decorations. Until next time. Kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.